Hello, good morning everyone. Ang topic natin ngayon ay about eating habits that can be harmful to your health and harmful to your skin.
Gaya ng ano, Doc?
Eating too fast. Kasi it takes the brain 20 minutes bago niya ma-process yung satiety, no? Ibig sabihin ng satiety yung nabusog ka na. So kung mabilis ka masyadong kumain, hindi pa napaprocess ng brain mo na busog ka na, kakain ka pa rin ng kakain kahit nabusog ka na talaga. So dapat slow eating lang po tayo. It can also cause bloating, no? Kasi when you eat fast, you inhale more air and therefore you feel bloated. Kaya parang busog ka na, pero hindi talaga food yun, kundi air. Ang number 2 is overeating. So overeating leads to weight gain, a disruption in the digestive system, and this can lead to obesity, cardiovascular risk, and diabetes. We have to chew it properly para ang digestion ng pagkain sa loob ng tiyan natin ay mas mabilis at para 100% din mapupunta sa iba't ibang parte o ibang bahagi ng katawan po natin. Eating late at night or at bedtime. When you eat at night or at bedtime, you induce sleep disorder, no? At saka indigestion, also acid reflux. Magkakaroon ka ng indigestion kasi parang nagre-rest na yung tiyan natin and then we're still giving it more food to digest. So, baka hindi mo properly digest yung food na yon. Kaya, ang mangyayari pa yan, pag humiga ka, umaakyat yung pagkain, no? Kasi natutulak ng ibang organs natin sa ibabaan ng stomach, ang food papuntang paitaas para kaya umaakyat yung acid sa lalamunan mo. And eventually, baka mag-vomit out ka pa. Another is eating unhealthy foods. Like yung foods na maraming preservative, carbohydrates. So, yung circulation mo ma-overwhelm with these unwanted and unhealthy foods. Kaya ang mangyayari niyan, it will not be properly managed by your kidney and liver. And aside from that, it could also affect the delivery of the proper nutrients to other organs of the body. Ay, yung mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa eat all you can eh. Basta't may eat all you can na mura, hala, sugod tayo agad. Kasi gusto mong bawiin yung binayad mo sa the eat all you can, kaya kain ka ng kain kahit busog ka na, overwhelm yung yung liver mo, no? It will work double time and it will not convert the food properly to usable energy. Emotional eating, ito din, 27% of adults eat to manage stress. And 34% of these adults who eat to manage stress makes a habit out of it. Yung mga chichirya, iwasan po natin yan. Kasi yung mga oily na potato chips, yung mga ganun. Ako yung iba pang chichirya na very oily, very salty, at saka tad-tad ng mga preservative at saka ng mga food coloring. Another one is not drinking enough water. No? This is very important. Because 73% of our brain and our heart is made up of water. 83% of our lungs is made up of water, and 79% of our muscles and kidney is made up of water. Even the skin, 64% of our skin is made up of water also. And then even the bones, yung matigas na akala natin walang tubig, 31%. Adult males pala requires 3 liters a day. Ang adult females will require 2.2 liters per day. So we have to keep that in mind. Drink plenty of water. Tayo, mahilig din tayo na habang kumakain, nag-multitasking tayo, nagko-computer tayo habang kumakain, nagte-telepono habang kumakain, may sinusulat, may ginagawa. Hindi po maganda yon. Kasi when you do that, you do not concentrate on what you eat. You do not concentrate on how much you eat. So, hati yung focus mo doon sa ginagawa mo at sa pagkakain mo. So, lang yung madampot mo, yung kakainin mo, and you don't even feel the satiety or yung parang feeling up, yung busog ka na, hindi mo mafe-feel yung kasi nga nagmo-multitasking ka. Kaya ang mangyayari, mag-overeating ka, mapipili mo yung mga pagkain na hindi dapat kasi masarap lang. So, kain ka ng kain ng masasarap pero walang value, walang nutrient value. Yung health mo at yung skin mo papangit. And the last would be skipping breakfast. Kasi kung ikaw ay nag-skip ng breakfast, parang nag-fast ka na nga the whole evening, so that usually takes about 8 or more hours, no? Nag-fast ka na the whole evening, hindi ka pa kumain ng breakfast, so wala kang energy to do your work or your job properly during the daytime. So, maapektuhan yung trabaho mo pag hindi ka nakakain ng breakfast. So, if you have more questions, just get in touch with me through my numbers. And please like and share my account.